Welcome to Star Technology 5G. In today's video, I will show you how you can connect UPS with network, and control remotely. And I will also show how to configure and install AP9640 Network Management Card. Let's start the video. Please subscribe to the Star Technology 5G. AP9640 Network Management Card. Here is AP9640 Network Management Card I am going to configure. AP9640 Card feature. Provide UPS control and self-test. Provide data and event logs. Enable to set up notifications through event logging. Provide support for power shutdown remotely. Supports using a DHCP. Provide a selection of security protocols for authentication. Supported devices. The Network Management Card is compatible with all currently shipping smart UPS devices with a smart slot, all previous generation online smart UPS and SUA devices manufactured after 2008. I have APC1000 VA UPS. But it will also work in following UPS. APC1000, APC2200 and in APC3000. I have this new AP9640 Network Management Card. The Network Management Card package include following items. Here is micro USB configuration cable. This is Network Management Card. And here is installation manual. How to install the Network Management Card. For connecting Network Management Card we do not need to turn off the UPS. Here is back view of APC1000 UPS. Here is UPS input 220 volt socket. Here is UPS output 220 volt sockets, it have 8 output sockets. Here is fuse for battery. Here we can install network card. Just remove cover and insert the card into the slot. I have APC1000 UPS, I already removed the slot cover. Just insert the card into the slot. Do you see RJ45 ports LED just lighted up? Connect micro USB configuration cable with console port. And other side of the cable connect with PC or laptop. Now open Hyper Terminal. OK. Don't ask me this question again. Yes. United States. Area code. Just write anything. OK. OK. Yes. Connection description. Write any name. APC. OK. Select the COM port. COM3. If you want to check the COM port then go to. Right click on this PC. Click on Manage. Device Manager. Ports. You can see USB serial device showing COM3. OK. Port setting. Bits per second select 9600. Data bits 8. Parity none. Stop bits 1. Row control hardware. Apply. OK. Enter. UPS connected, it is showing message. Username. The default username and password is APC. Username APC. Password APC. The current password policy you to change your password. When you first log in, you must change your password. Enter current password APC. Enter new password APC12345. Confirm new password APC12345. Sorry. Password mismatch. Enter new password again. Here is the basic information. Name APC3AC8F7. HTTP disable. HTTPS enable. IP version 4 enable. IP version 6 enable. SNMP disable. Network Management Card do not have an IP address assigned. We must configure the IP address setting for the cards. We must configure the TCP IP setting before the UPS Network Management Card can operate on a network. IP address, subnet mask and default gateway. Here is TCP IP command how we can assign IP address. Address-I, subnet-S, and gateway-G. TCP IP I-192.168.43.200, -S255.255.255.0, -I192.168.43.1. Enter. E002 success. Reboot required for change to take effect. If you need any help, just write question marks and enter. These are all parameters we can configure using hyperterminal. But right now I will just configure the system. System question marks enter. Write system name. -NAPCUPS. Command not found. System-NAPCUPS. Success. System contact. System-CUPS department. System location. System-L room number 03. Reboot required for change to take effect. Reboot, enter. Success. Enter yes to continue or enter to cancel. Yes. It will take 3 minutes to reboot. So I will pause the video. Welcome back. Card is reboot. Now connect patch cable with RJ45 network socket available on AP9640 card. And other side of the cable connect with PC or laptop network port. Click on Network and Internet setting. Change adapter options. Ethernet. Properties. Internet Protocol version 4 TCP over IP4. Properties. Use the following IP address. IP address 192.168.43.254. Use same network IP address, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Default gateway 192.168.43.1. OK. Close. Now open any internet browser. And browse IP address 192.168.43.200. Click on Advance. Continue to 192.168.43.200 unsafe. Enter username APC. Password APC12345. Log on. Schneider Electric. Configuration summary. IP version 4 configure. IP address subnet mask default gateway MAC address. If you want to use DHCP, then click on DHCP. And click on Apply. IP version 6 configure. If you want to use IP version 6, then use and hit on Apply. HTTP configure. Just check enable. HTTPS is already enabled. And apply. Configuration. Network. SNMPv1. Access. Enable. Apply. Configuration. Network. SNMPv3. Access. If you want to enable, then enable it, but we are not using. Configuration. Notification. SNMP traps. Trap receivers. Click on Add Trap Receiver. NMS IP and host name 192.168.8.1. Write community name you are using and click on Apply. Configuration. General. Identification. Name APC UPS. Contact. UPS Department. Location room number 3. If you want to write any message, then write here and apply setting. Configuration. General. Date and time. Mode. Change date and time setting. Apply. Status. UPS. Here is power information. Input voltage 213.1 volts AC. Output voltage 244.8 volts AC. Frequency 60.2 Hz. Load power 0%. Battery 100%. Battery voltage 27.40 volts DC. Runtime remaining 5 hours and 50 minutes. Internal temperature 33.3 degrees Celsius. Status. Network. IP address. Subnet mask. Default gateway. MAC address. IP version 6 setting. Domain name. Port speed. Configuration. Power setting. Rated output voltage 230. High transfer voltage 253. Low transfer voltage 200. Home. Device model. Smart UPS 1000. UPS name. Location. Here is configuration we just changed. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video.